Hi everyone, my name is Yun Hao, the Product Manager of IFM Electronic, Asia Region Office. Today, I'd like to discuss with you about machining check application. In this video, you can see the two workpiece that I have on hand. The one on the left is actually after the machine process, whereas the one on the right is actually before the machine process. Do you have similar application to check whether a workpiece has been machined or not? You may think of using a single point laser sensor to solve such an application. However, by using a single point laser sensor, you may often face false sensing due to a variable alignment of the object during the inspection. Another challenge of using a single point laser sensor is the difficult alignment of the sensor to the object. Well, today I would like to demonstrate to you how easy and reliably it can be by using our latest profiler contour sensor. The profiler basically makes use of the laser line that you see in the video to pick up the contour profile of an object and compares with the condition that comes under the sensor. You can see from the sensor, currently it has a high matching value of approximately 94-95%. This is because I have already taught the sensor to the condition of the part before the machine process, and the output currently is switched off. Now let's take a look at what happens if you put a part after the machine process. Now you can see the output of the sensor is switched on and the matching value has also decreased. Now if we were to rotate the object to simulate a variable alignment during the inspection, we can also see the output of the sensor is still stay on. So with this, it makes it very easy for the user to solve such an application. One big plus point of the profiler is its robustness to ambient lighting. It doesn't require any external lighting like any vision or camera systems in the market. This could also reduce the cost and complexity of implementing such a solution. Well, I hope you have a better understanding of how such application can be solved in the future. Thank you.